What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to clear up the cache on your WordPress website. So imagine the following scenario or the following very common issue. You update some page, but this update does not reflect into the final version of your site. Imagine, for example, that you change a menu name on your WordPress navigation menu, but in another computers or in some visitors' computers, the menu still shows the last one, the before updated version. This is because of cache, okay? Cache preloads a version of your site into the consumers or into the visitors browsers in order to make it loads faster. So how to purge, how to clear up this cache for free? Most of the cache plugins have options to clear up cache, but these options are not very often effective. Luckily for us, there is a solution for that, and you can solve this with a single click. Before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. So, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and hover a mouse over plugins, and click on Add New Plugin submenu. Into the upper right corner of your screen, into Search Plugins field, you're gonna click and type Clear Cache for Me. And here is the guide that we're looking for, Clear Cache for Me. Click on Install Now. Click into the Activate button. This is going to redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And what does this plugin do? Purge all cache on WP Engine, WP Total Cache, WP Super Cache, WP Fastest Cache. When updating widgets, menus, settings, can force a browser to reload themes, CSS, and JS files. Okay, so basically this plugin adds a new button to your site, okay, into the upper corner of your site, into the WP top toolbar. And as soon as you update some page, all you have to do is click into this button, Clear Cache for Me. Success. Now the cache is cleared. And so, as a result, if someone loads my site now, they're gonna be able to see the real final version of my site, and not a stored version of my site that may shows under or outdated info. Okay. Also, if you review the WordPress left sidebar menus, hover a mouse over settings, you're gonna be able to find a new submenu next to privacy called Clear Cache for Me. Click on it. We have button settings, instructions to show above, show Clear Cache for Me button into the admin bar, refresh CSS and JS cache clear, and developer mode. No much settings, no much to do, but now you're gonna have a button to clear the cache for you, which is very useful. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below. In the case that you have any question, I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please, don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install, you gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery, and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built up sites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth3ws.net and find a collaborator or outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visual Modo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of your dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.